It's not the garbage lead, and it's not the ground lead. It's a guard lead. Hey, I'm Gregg with AEMC Instruments. If you're performing insulation resistance testing with a precision instrument like the AEMC Model 6555, you've probably seen the guard terminal. But what's it exactly for? The guard terminal is a simple but useful feature that shunts unwanted leakage currents away from the measurement. In short, it gives you a more accurate reading of the actual insulation resistance by isolating incidental components that may influence the overall measurement. Let's break it down with a real example using a three-phase dry-type transformer, which are commonly tested for insulation resistance because they're often exposed to contamination in the open environment. Say you're testing the primary winding's insulation resistance to ground. Even if this insulation is good, current could track along the surface, especially between the windings. Without the guard, the measured insulation resistance will be significantly lower. Here's how to guard against that, literally. Connect the red lead to the chassis ground of the transformer, and then connect the black lead to the primary windings and place the guard on the secondaries. In this example, we've shorted all three primaries together, as well as the secondaries, to test all three phases simultaneously. This test setup will divert unwanted leakage currents, the ones traveling on the outside of the insulation, away from the measurement circuit. The 6555 insulation test instrument can test up to 30 tera ohms at 15,000 volts. And at those levels, even tiny currents on the surface can throw off your results. Using the guard terminal ensures you're measuring only what truly matters, the insulation resistance of just the component under test. Let's take a look at the difference. Here's a test without the guard terminal with a resistance of about 25 mega ohms. Now with the guard terminal properly connected, the insulation resistance is over 700 mega ohms, a substantial difference that may warrant further inspection to ensure the integrity of the insulation of this transformer. So remember, don't toss the guard lead in the garbage. Use it correctly and you'll get more clean, accurate, reliable results, even in these challenging real-world conditions. Visit AEMC.com to learn more or to reach out to our tech support team. Check out our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on our trusted test instruments and stay up to date with the latest tips and product releases from AEMC Instruments.